Guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Chris. I'm just another review guy. Today we are doing another review on some PLA that I bought off Amazon. Links in the description below if you want to pick some up. I make a little commission on it. The brand we're trying today is called Geeetech. This is a gold filament. It's silk gold. The printing temp for this filament is 195 to 230 Celsius. It comes in a pound roll. Box says made in China. Here we are, brand new roll, still sealed up. On the outside, it's a PLA 3D printer filament, of course. It's bubble free, clog free, tangle free. We'll see about that. And printing the temperature we already talked about, 230 Celsius. So what we're gonna do right now, guys, is it's still sealed up. We're gonna pop the seal. We're gonna throw it in the Creality printer. We're gonna see how wet the filament is coming from the factory. And then we'll dry the filament for 4 hours. And then we'll do a print. And we'll be back and we'll see how well that prints. So another thing about my channel, guys, is I'm just another review guy. So my reviews are pretty simple. Basically, I want to know if the stuff I'm using actually works. I don't really care about the technical specs. I just want to make sure that it works. With the 3D filament, my whole thing is this. Is it gold? Do the colors match? Does it print good? Is it tangled coming from the factory? Does it get clogged up in my printer? Does it adhere to the plate? I do clean the plate with every print. So yeah, that's what I'm really checking out. If you want like technical specs, there's a lot of really great 3D printer people out there that will give you technical specs. But if you just want to know, what can I buy? Is it a good brand? Is it gonna work? Basically, I'm the channel for you. So let's go ahead and pop this open, and then let's throw it into the Creality. Let's throw it into the Creality dryer so we can see how wet it is. Alright guys, so as you saw, our print's done. We used the Geeetech gold PLA. Now that particular roll will not fit on the AMS. It will fall off. So I had to build an adapter so the roll would stay onto the AMS roll. Just be aware that if you use the A1 with the AMS, the real center part is too big and it will fall off, so you'll have to find a solution for that. But here's the final print of the Star Wars lightsaber. Looks pretty good. It's nice and smooth. Now this gold isn't like shiny gold. It's more of a, as you can see here, it's not glossy, but it's gold. The print looks pretty darn good. Where the seams are here, you can see. If you can see that, a little bit of a space. I believe that's probably just the way the file is. Another thing here on the bottom of the lightsaber. See if we can zoom in. Got a little bit of string cheese there. Now, as you saw, the filament was dried to 20%, so it was super dry and it still left a little bit of cheese on the... Now, I know there's a technical name, but I'm calling it cheese. It's like string cheese to me. Let's see how it fits together. Tolerance-wise, look. All right, yeah, see? There's the bottom of the lightsaber there. Here's the top. We're gonna use translucent filament for the lightsaber so it looks good. Now my next couple of videos, I am testing a bunch of other filament. I am gonna be printing more of these Star Wars handles. They're for my grandkids to beat the heck out of each other. Kind of funny to watch. If you have grandkids or kids, you know what I mean. Yeah, other than that, guys, that Geeetech PLA, it's pretty solid. It came in not super wet. Probably could have printed it just fine without drying it, but part of the review is making sure that the prints print and it has the, you know, its best ability to get the print done. So I dry it before I print for the sake of these reviews. All right, there we go. There were no other technical issues with the PLA other than the roll falling off the AMS. Guys, links in the description below. There's multiple colors from this company available on Amazon. It is an affiliate link. I make a couple pennies if you click. It helps support the channel. As always, thanks for watching. Leave your comments in the section below. If you want to help the fellow 3D printing community, leave your comments below. I appreciate it. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next video.